Hi everyone, this is part 4 of how to make Getting Over It, but this is also going to be the final part, depending on if I improve the game. So you want to add an receive swing, set the swing basically to yes. Change Y by 5. Set the DC to 0. And then you want to add a if S equals to yes. So this is actually going to be very, very, very hard to do, but let me show you what you need to do. You need to add a if else, letter 1 of the D equals to the letter 1 of the D equals to dash. Basically negative sign. Then set the D counter, the DC, to 5. And then repeat until and then you want to add 3 ORs into each other. So 1, 2, and 3. Touching the sprite 3, then we don't really need to add the okay, so we need to add touching the DC, touching the edge, or the DC equals, actually don't add the edge anymore, or the DC equals to the D. And then or the DC is greater than the D divided by 2. And we want to add a change X, but first add a change Y and then a change X by. So you want to change the Y by the letter 2. So you want to basically add times into both of them. So this is where it's going to start to become long and tricky. I actually might have to make another part if the screen satisfy is going to end soon. But if the letter 2 equals to D, and then of D is times -1. Duplicate it and put it in the X. Yep, like I expected. It might run out of time. And then we want to add a change the DC by -1. So the part 5 is going to be the final, and I know it. So bye for now, and then I'll see you in part 5.